What did you say? It's a big caddy.
If it's a big caddy, I'll be done.
Man, you didn't drag me out for 3 hours to catch a catfish, man. Come on, bro. That thing went off, huh? You got a shark. Nice, man. Just bring it straight onto the ramp, bro.
Yeah, grab it.
The line,
Don't put it in this thing, because I don't want to bite it.
That's what you are after, bro.
Yeah,
You said that bully will take that mullet.
Yeah.
It's a nice size. Looks nice.
Yeah, I have the knife set as well. So I can just lob off the fillet. Alhamdulillah.
What's your tune? Except, what's your tune?
I tuned. That was what we came for, and that's what I got.
Mashallah.
Is he on? Or is it gone? You okay, where's that? Shark? No, eel. Are you serious? Yeah. That giant.
It's even more scary than the shark.
Baba, look out for that things. Yes, it is an eel. Baba, no, it's not a hairtail. It's a pike eel. Yeah, it's a pike eel. Okay. Walaikum salam. Safedin, this here is the best shark bait, hands down.
This is shark bait.
This is the best. Even better than live bait.
What, like hope? Like
No, we cut up a strip because this is what they feed on. This is what bull sharks specialize in. So if you want me to kill it, but Baba, watch that thing.
It's off, it's off.
Is it off?
Yeah.
Okay, so grab.
Let me take a picture.
You want me to kill it?
No.
Baba, what, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. It will bite. You want me to kill it? And pop it on some bait for you?
Yeah.
Alright. Just watch it. Watch it. Careful, careful. What is it? What is it?
What?
Cat.
Flying
Wait, hang on. You sure it's a catfish?
Not flying.
Baba, watch this, it's very slippery here. Oh, that's a bloody massive catfish.
I don't think that's
No, it is. You reckon thready?
thready. It's thready.
Wait, move back, safety. Wait, it's very slippery.
It's a thready, bro.
You reckon?
It is. Oh.
Yes, Baba, net it, please. Do you want me to net it? Baba, you sure? Baba, that's right, let me do it. Baba, it's very slippery. Don't get it on here, don't get it on, don't lift it up. You got it? Oh. Allahu Akbar! Wait. It's a thready! Ahmed!
Ahmed, bro.
Ahmed got it! Allahu Akbar! You got it! That was on the live, on the mullet.
It was on one prawn.
No way! Ahmed, how do you feel? Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! The thready!
Take picture. Wait, let's measure.
Wait, I've got the thing. Alright, so that is a 68 centimetre threadfin salmon from the beautiful Brisbane River, caught by Ahmed. Ahmed, how do you feel, mate? You nailed it. You nailed a solid Brisbane fish after. And this is what we're after. This is what we came. We said threadies and dewies. Safety put his rod away.
So I've already got a snag.
Alright guys, so this is what we've ended up with in our little Brisbane River session, and that's been after like heavy rains for a few days. One bream, just about 26. Bullshark, which is just fillets now, and this beautiful threadfin salmon of 68 centimeters. Good times.